Today, you're all the way up there because we're having a look at these. A boxed set of Premier 20 copper lanterns. Yes, we have featured these on the channel before, but these are a new purchase. So let's open them up and see if they work. As mentioned, we've done a set of these before. You can check out that video up there. I've not opened these yet. I was a bit disappointed when they arrived because this is the condition they arrived in. They were literally posted like this, just bare. They put brown tape on the parcel and it's been previously taped another time before. So which end? We'll do this end. Get the knife. Be careful. Okay. There's a really big box. So we never had a box with the last set. Not much to see from the outside. Here's a picture from the archive to show you what it should look like. And on the back, the particulars are huge, the size of them, and actually shows you the light itself, the actual shade, the copper lantern itself. And it says that you need gold bulbs. Actually, that's strange. It says you need gold bulbs, which are yellow, orange, but this is a bit of tape that's been added on, so I bet you if you peel that off, it'll probably be clear bulbs underneath. So there might be two different types, made by Premier. Get these out. I think that these are a variant set. Okay. Here's our card. Oh, hello. Got more particulars on an inlay card. It shows you all the different types of lights, which is interesting. So I think I'll get a screen grab of this like that, and I'll post that for everybody to have a look at. So this is for connected in series candle bridges, connected in parallel, low voltage screw in, and push bulb light. So it's a universal instruction book. And another add-on sticker. Interesting. Premier Bright Ideas, and again another sticker. Lots of stickers on this set. Low voltage lights order form. So what can we order? We can order push bulbs for low voltage sets, screw in, push in, transformer replacement, extension leads, push-in bulbs for light sets, other bulbs, bulb extractor and tester. Nice. I'd be tempted to fill this in and see if they'd actually honour the order. Well, it's nice that we got all that inside as well. These are not the replacement bulbs. These are for a set of 40. Burnville Nurseries. Well, that's where a lot of Christmas lights were sold over the years. That's where I always remembered seeing them. So, Alderbrook. Don't know if I've seen those before, but they're there. Put them in the stash. Here's our actual spares. Here's a sister set, RB40. These are RB20. Oh, we've got a loose shade. Where's that from? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Huh. Funny enough, my set that we did a video on last year had a missing dome, so that'll probably go on my other set. So this is the alternate set design. My set has 20 copper lanterns. This set has 19 and a little lantern light, mini lantern on the end. And that's to denote the fuse bulb, which looks like it may have blown. Not the best quality. Look at that. It's all raised. It's got plain, insert. We did a video going through all the variations of mini lantern designs. You can check that video out up there, it's interesting. We go through all the different types that I have in the collection. Not the different types of lights, just the different types of shades. So we'll put this back together. This cage is a very soft plastic. The top hat is a stiffer plastic. So that's to denote the fuse bulb. This was generally the trait on the Noma Copperfield lanterns. I believe that's what they were called. So there are two types you can get. $19 lanterns with one of these, or 20 lanterns. Luckily the set I have is the 20 lanterns. This one's come loose off its shade because it's got this clip for clipping onto branches. See these flat part of the bulb holder? This has to go in between, slide up there like that, then the shade goes on, and then it spreads out and holds it in place, and then the little dome just goes on top, and that's that back on. Even when these lights were brand new, it wouldn't surprise me if these carried a price of at least $29.99, even back in the 90s and early 2000s when they were available. Could that possibly be our date code? 01, 2001? Possibly. Here's our plug card. So there we go. 5th 01 or 3rd 01. So it's either March or May 2001. Oh, there we go. And there's 2001 there. So these lights are 24 years old, vintage. Let's have a look inside of our plug. This is a Premier plug. You can see there. There's their logo. And it's got a lightning bolt through an eye on the other side, so it's possibly made by somebody else for Premier. Not many manufacturers had their own plugs. And we've got a 3 amp fuse in here. Livia. 3 amp. We're in an extra safe 1. Right, let's see if they work. I'm going to put the dimmer plug on just in case, because these were bought as not working. Oh, and they work. Well, that's good. They all work. The fuse bulb looked a bit dubious at first, but it works. It's doing something, but not a lot. So at least they work in the box. Nice warm orange glow. I had my set on a garland last year and they looked resplendent. There's a little bit of tinsel on this. Red tinsel. Looks like it's tinsel stream. Quick question for the community. Where can you buy tinsel material but in sheets, like A4 sheets or a bit smaller? If anybody knows what this is called and where you can get it from, let us know in the comments below, because I'm working on a future project. So at least our lights work, and the spare bulbs have never been used, so they can go back in the box. This wasn't the most exciting video, but at least we got a box set of these lights. My set wasn't boxed, but I wasn't too bothered about that. Very ornate design. We'll go into this in much more detail in the other video. Check that out. These come apart completely. You can just fully dismantle it. So no wonder these were an expensive set of lights. There's a lot of components to these. You've got the set of light itself, you've got the tree branch clip, you've got the plated base, you've got the dome, you've got the hanger. A lot went into these lights. The Noma ones are different, so you can usually tell apart the Noma and the Premier lights. And I have seen these with clear bulbs in as well. I think it was mainly the Noma ones that had clear bulbs. I just don't know why these were sold as not working. Unless there was a loose bulb and we've jostled it back into place. Who knows? But anyway, there's our boxed Premier lanterns. But there we are, got them back in their box. There's our 20 Premier copper lanterns. They work. No idea why they were sold as not working. These will be for sale. Make sure you're subscribed with your notifications turned on for details on how to buy these lights in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you all on the next one.